All right, here we go. And oh man, I'm on the wrong screen. Here we go in video number 3. All right, so the second part, you kind of have to do it on your own. Register your stuff. I can't show you my registration, but when you click on that the registration area, whatever, connect your account that you bought this from, which would be on Envato, and then you could register your thing. Okay, so that gives you automatic updates and access to the stuff. All right, so the next thing is support. So you see the support option right here. You can create an account, and it says Aveda comes with 6 months of free support for every license you purchase. You can extend to a subscription via theme forest, yada 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 yada. So you can create a support account if you want to. So you don't necessarily have to do that now. They have a starter guide, a documentation guide. You can submit a ticket. So that's first 6 months. You're having any issues or anything like that that's related to them. They are the one who created your theme, so you can submit a ticket to them. They have video tutorials, a community forum, and also a Facebook group. Okay. So right here where it says Facebook group, you can go ahead and join the group. And so you can join it, and then of course they will approve you, whenever. So they have a group on Facebook, so if you have questions, you want to, whatever, you have that for them. They have a FAQ section. Okay, and so they kind of commonly ask questions there. They have a demo section where if you had one that you wanted to use, you can go ahead and import it. Okay, that's what we're going to do next. You have your the various plugins that they have there. So if you want to use Revelation Slider, all this stuff, this is for SEO, so I would definitely install that. I would use that. Okay, which they included in this package here. So it says it successfully installed it, and the plugin has been activated. Okay, so you got some SEO there, which is awesome. So you got all the little calendars there, and you can install all this stuff as needed accordingly. I'm not saying go through and press install every single one of them, because you might not need it. All right, so you got your system status. So it'll tell you, whatever. Okay, so it's a server information. So again, here we go with this PHP stuff. So it says we recommend setting max execution time to at least 180 and the max vars to 128. Let me because I don't know my password directly. Let me go and show you how to fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna put my slate up there, and we got the slate up. Once I got the slate up, I can log back into the panel. I just don't want to put the information on there, and I just don't, you don't want people's information out there. And because I'm recording and I just want to load it, I don't want to record and have to go through and block out information and all that. That's why I got this screen up now. And so if you have some type of control panel, if you don't have a control panel, then you would need to ask your hosting provider to do that for you. So, let me go back here because it's just me recording. No one is recording for us. All right. Okay, awesome. So here we go. We're in the C panel there. And if you go again, right here on top, where the quick finding, you type PHP. You're going to see this where it says multi PHP INI editor. You're going to select the location, click the home directory because that covers your whole site. Or did I have it? Oh, am I? Oh, I'm on the wrong. I am so sorry, guys. I'm on the wrong site. I'm on the wrong client site. 1 second. So let me go in here. Let me put this back up, and let me go to the right client site. Okay. Sorry about that. Um, I want to put. All right, so you're gonna go into. I'm telling you the right way, but I'm just in the wrong account. That's what ended up happening. There we go. All right, now we're ready. Let me go back to you guys. All right, I'm sorry about that, guys. I was just in the wrong account. So, um, right here on top in the quick finder, just put PHP. You're gonna click on multi INI editor. You're gonna select the location, which is gonna be your home directory. And as you see our settings here. So let's go back to the system. The system status is gonna tell us what we need to pick. So where it says PHP time limit, you need to increase that to at least 180. So we go over here and where it says it, I think it's max. Is it max input time? What is it set to? Set to 30. So okay. Oh, here we go. Right here where it says 30, which is sets the maximum. So it say 180. So we're gonna fix that there. Then it says max input bars set at 1,000, and it needs to be set at 1,500 is what they recommend. So I don't see. Oh, there you go. Right here, max input vars. So we need to change that to 1,500. That's the recommendation. And we're gonna say apply. Okay. Now the PHP settings have been applied. You're gonna go back to over here. We're gonna refresh. There we go. And as we refreshed it, because we corrected it over here in the PHP, now it fits the exact system settings that it needs, okay? So you can always check, okay? The APIs are working, okay? All this stuff is working. So it gives you excuse me, it gives you a kind of like a system overview of everything, okay? So we have that there. So everything is good. So if something in red, then you need to see exactly what that is to correct that accordingly. Okay, so this is very, like I said, these are very easy to fix. And if you like, well, what does that mean, or what does whatever mean, you can always hover over these question marks, and it'll tell you. Like this one says server info. It's light speed. Okay, so we have a really fast server. It says information about your web server that's currently hosting your site. Yada yada. Okay, so it has all this information that's actually available to you. Let's continue to go through the thing. So the next one under system status is the patcher. We've already applied the necessary patches that's needed. And then here are the theme options. Like any theme options, we're gonna get into this on the next video, and we're gonna talk about like the options, the logos, and all that stuff, because we have a lot of options to actually go through. So we're gonna do that on the next video. But now we have installed it. We've made the adjustments and things of that nature that you need. So let's go to the next video. My name is Crystal Hell. I'm the creative director here at the Exie Host Masters. Many of you know me as Tech Girl Crystal Hell. And thank you for tuning in to this AVADA tutorial.